Atomos Shogun Ultra 7-inch 8K HDR monitor recorder that supercharges your filmmaking workflow. Ever feel blocked by your camera's limits, frustrated with dull monitors or slow workflows? Spending hours adjusting exposure, missing critical focus, or wrestling with internal codecs can crush your motivation. Even the most talented cinematographers hit a wall when tools don't keep up. Time wasted, creativity stalled, and stress mounting as your vision struggles to match your results. Crushing deadlines, high-stakes shoots, and looming post-production demands make these frustrations unbearable. Every missed detail, blown highlight, or slow render piles on stress, inviting burnout and lost opportunities. Watching your footage fall short of its potential, knowing a better workflow exists, makes every shoot feel like a gamble, leaving even seasoned professionals desperate for a faster, more reliable solution. Introducing the Atomos Shogun Ultra 7-inch HDR monitor recorder, the ultimate productivity and creative boost for filmmakers. With a 7-inch 2500 nit HDR touchscreen, record up to 8K P30, 6K P60, and 4K P120 in Pro Residential RAW, ProRes, DNx HD, or H.265 to affordable NVMe SSDs, unlocking cinematic quality your camera alone can't deliver. Advanced monitoring tools, Waveform, Vectorscope, false color, focus peaking, zebras, and audio meters ensure perfect exposure and focus every time. Dual 12G, SDI, and HDMI inputs-outputs streamline connection with any cinema or broadcast camera. The bundle includes two NP F774,400 mAh batteries, two compact chargers, and anti-static screen wipes, keeping you powered on long shoots. One director shared, "The Shogun Ultra revealed details I didn't see in my raw footage. HDR monitoring saved the shot on a bright outdoor set." Lightweight magnesium chassis, Atomos 11 interface, and professional playback/recording tools make setup intuitive, letting you focus on creativity instead of gear headaches. The Shogun Ultra isn't just a monitor, it's a workflow powerhouse. Cinema pros rave, "I can grade ProRes RAW in real time, even on sunny exterior shoots. It's the brain of my rig." Broadcast technicians praise dual SDI inputs and 12G support for seamless integration with complex setups. Users highlight its 2500 nit ultra-bright display, HDR accuracy, and professional scopes that eliminate guesswork. Customers report smoother collaboration, faster approvals, and confidence in every frame. One videographer said, "Switching between HDMI and SDI cameras is effortless, and using standard NVMe drives saves a fortune." Another adds, "Professional monitoring tools let me nail exposure on the first take every time." With dual-format recording, Ethernet and Wi-Fi for cloud workflows, and Atomos 11 responsiveness, every production becomes faster, cleaner, and more professional. Compact yet robust, the Shogun Ultra thrives on handheld rigs, gimbals, and studio setups, giving filmmakers precision, speed, and reliability. From commercial shoots to high-end cinematic productions, it transforms every workflow into a confident, high-quality capture experience, leaving creative control entirely in your hands. Don't compromise your footage. Upgrade to the Atomos Shogun Ultra today. Join thousands of professionals and indie filmmakers who trust its 8K ProRes RAW recording, HDR display, and dual SDI and HDMI connectivity. Limited stock means now is the time to act. Elevate your workflow, nail every focus pull, and capture cinematic quality footage with confidence. Seize this opportunity, secure your Shogun Ultra bundle, and turn every shoot into a professional-grade masterpiece your clients and audience will love.